This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, water heater, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, slideout, CO detector, DVD player, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is 8,794 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.